Creating a luxury statement piece is not an accident. It is the result of mastering the proportions that build the silhouette. Today, we are drafting the pattern for this classic dress. I will show you how to achieve this regal fit and flawless structure. If you want to design like a top-tier professional, this is the lesson you need. I am Ladybird Designer, and welcome to my channel. Let's get started. We will start by designing the neckline. In my method, all the adjustments for a perfect fit are already built into the basic block. If you haven't learned this yet, I have placed a link in the description. It is a comprehensive tutorial for the bodice pattern using the easiest method. However, if you are using your own pattern, make sure to take a 7mm to 1cm dart on the neckline. This will ensure the dress sits perfectly against the body. For the princess seam design, I have already created a complete tutorial. You can find more details and learn all 3 main types of princess seams in that video. I have placed the links for all important videos in the description below. Make sure to check them out. Always remember to mark the important details on each pattern piece. This includes the center front line and the side seam. You must also show the correct grain line for the fabric. Please do not forget the balance points and the numbering for every part. These marks are essential for a professional finish. In this part of the princess seam, I take a 5mm dart. I do this based on my personal experience. It creates a beautiful and polished result. Your garment will have a professional finish with this small adjustment. Before we move forward, I have a special message. I want to say a huge thank you to my 4 dear channel members. Your wonderful support truly keeps these lessons going. You are the heart of this community, and I am so grateful to have you here. If you find value in my work, I warmly invite you to join our member family too. By becoming a member, you help this channel grow so we can learn and create even more together. It really means a lot to me. Now, let's continue with the next part of our design. For this model, we must cut the lining exactly like the main fabric. This garment requires a full lining. For pattern piece number 1, I prefer to use the same main fabric as the lining. However, please consider the weight of your fabric. If the material is too thick, it is better to use standard lining fabric for this part instead. To determine the length, subtract the shoulder to waist measurement from the total length of the dress. Mark the remaining amount starting from the waistline. Make sure to check the description to see the exact length for this specific model. To mark the decorative pocket, go down 8 centimeters from the waist, then move 6 centimeters inside from the center front. Create a rectangle. -1 by 5 centimeters. Copy this pattern once. You must cut 4 pieces from your fabric. Remember, always add a seam allowance before cutting your fabric. This dart is long compared to the pocket. When sewn, it will not be visible. But if you are worried about your fabric, you can shorten the dart. This will give you peace of mind during the sewing process. Now, we mark the zipper placement for this model. The zipper is usually placed at the center back. Make sure to mark the exact length. Leave enough seam allowance for a clean and professional finish. First, measure the armhole of the bodice as I taught you before. Then you should measure the sleeve cap that you copied. For this model and fabric, the sleeve cap must be 3 centimeters larger than the bodice armhole. In this case, the measurement was 47 centimeters. If you do not know how to draft or check the sleeve, please watch the basic sleeve tutorial. I have placed the link in the description for you. Now you can convert this into a 2-piece sleeve. Use the same method from my previous tutorial for a professional look. You can find all my lessons in the playlists or the courses section. I have placed all the links in the description for you. Please make sure to check them. That is all for today's tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed designing this piece with me. Please do not forget to like this video and leave a comment to support my work. If you would like to support me even more, you are welcome to become a member of the channel. Thank you so much for watching and for your energy. I am Ladybird Designer, and I will see you in the next lesson.